The smartphone market is heating up once again, and this time, it's Honor stepping up with one of its most powerful and intelligent phones yet, the Honor 400 Pro. With a stunning design, blazing performance powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a jaw-dropping 200MP camera system, and cutting-edge AI capabilities, this phone is not just about raw specs, it's about the future of intelligent mobile technology. So is the Honor 400 Pro just another flagship? Or is it a genuine trendsetter for 2025? Let's dive deep into the features and performance of this beast. The Honor 400 Pro embraces a modern flat-screen design that's both stylish and practical. It comes with a sleek aluminum frame and a polished finish that reflects light in unique patterns, giving it a premium and futuristic vibe. The phone feels solid in the hand, thanks to precise build quality and a slightly squared-off profile that enhances grip. With IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, the device is ready to handle rough conditions, whether it splashes, rain, or a dusty hike. This is a design that screams durability without compromising elegance. Moving to the front, the Honor 400 Pro features a beautiful 6.7-inch OLED display with a 1080 by 2412 resolution. It supports a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for ultra-responsive touch and animations, and the real highlight here is the peak brightness of 5000 nits. Yes, you heard that right, 5000 nits, which makes this one of the brightest smartphone displays on the planet. Whether you're outside in direct sunlight or watching HDR10+ content in a dark room, this screen delivers clarity, contrast, and color accuracy that's hard to match. It's also ideal for gamers, with quick response times and buttery smooth scrolling. Under the hood, the Honor 400 Pro is powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, Qualcomm's top-tier silicon for 2025. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, it offers flagship-grade performance across the board. From demanding games like PUBG Mobile and Genshin Impact to intense multitasking and video editing, this phone handles everything effortlessly. It also includes advanced AI-driven power and thermal management to ensure consistent performance over long sessions without overheating or excessive battery drain. Photography lovers, this one's for you. The Honor 400 Pro boasts a triple camera system that punches way above its price tag. A massive 200MP primary sensor with OIS, capable of capturing ultra-detailed shots with rich color and dynamic range. A 50MP telephoto lens for clean 3x optical zoom shots and portraits. A 12MP ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos. Together, this system delivers professional-level results, especially with the help of Honor's image optimization algorithms. Night mode, AI scene detection, and cinematic video capture all come together to make the 400 Pro a true imaging powerhouse. And the AI features don't stop there, but more on that in a moment. Powering this performance beast is a 5300 mAh battery, a generous capacity that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, and well into the second day with normal use. But what's even more impressive is the 100W wired fast charging support. In just around 25 to 30 minutes, you can go from 0 to 100%. That's a huge advantage for people always on the move. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or office professional, battery anxiety is a thing of the past with the Honor 400 Pro. On the software side, the phone runs MagicOS 9.0 based on Android 15. The interface is clean, fluid, and feature-rich, with plenty of customization options and minimal bloatware. It supports advanced gesture navigation, floating windows for multitasking, a refined notification panel, and smoother animations throughout. Honor has also optimized MagicOS 9.0 to work seamlessly with its AI capabilities and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's processing power, offering one of the best user experiences in the Android ecosystem today. Here's where things get really interesting. The Honor 400 Pro integrates Google's Gemini AI, allowing the phone to offer features like Circle to Search, which lets you search for any element on screen with just a gesture. AI Portrait Snap, which tracks faces and enhances skin tones, background blur, and focus during both photos and video. These AI tools go beyond gimmicks. They actually improve real-world usability, productivity, and creativity. With Gemini AI, the phone learns your habits, adapts to your routine, and makes day-to-day interactions smarter and faster. So, what's the verdict on the Honor 400 Pro? It's not just a flagship, it's a showcase of what the future of smartphones should look like. With a record-breaking bright display, the best Snapdragon chip, a 200MP camera system, massive battery, 100W fast charging, and powerful AI integration, the Honor 400 Pro isn't trying to compete, it's trying to lead. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, mobile photographer, or power user, this phone deserves your attention. The Honor 400 Pro is not just another Android, it's a new standard.